Friends, subscribe my channel Netbook of Physics and press bell icon for latest update.
In this lesson, we are going to learn about surface tension. What is surface tension? Surface tension is a property of a liquid surface. Suppose we look at a volume of a liquid. So this is some liquid. Now if you look at a liquid molecule inside the liquid, this molecule is being pulled by molecules above, pulled by molecules down, pulled by molecules this side, 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 pulled by molecules that side. So every direction the molecule is getting pulled. Therefore the net force is 0. But if we consider a molecule here at the surface of the liquid, some molecules are below which are pulling it this way. Some molecules are here which are pulling it this way. Here this way. Some molecules are pulling it this way. But there is no molecule that is pulling it up. Therefore, a molecule at the surface is drawn into the volume of the liquid. So this molecule wants to go inside the liquid. So this surface, whatever molecules are there, they want to go inside the liquid. So this surface tension is a property of a liquid surface because of which the liquids are drawn into the volume and a liquid tries to minimize its free surface as small as possible. Surface tension is a property of a liquid surface due to which a liquid tries to minimize the surface area of its free surface and tries to occupy as minimum area as possible. Because of this surface tension, the surface of a liquid behaves like a stretched membrane under tension. See, if you try to keep a small needle on top of water, that does not sink. It goes a little bit in, it sinks. So this surface, it does not want to get disturbed. It is behaving like a stretched membrane. Heavy insects are also able to sit on water because of this surface tension. Right? Because of this surface tension, the free surface of a liquid tries to become as small as possible. Right? Falling raindrops are spherical in shape because of surface tension. For a given volume of liquid, a spherical shape has got minimum surface area. So that's why they take up this spherical shape. Right? Understand this. We don't have rectangular, cubical raindrops falling or conical raindrops falling. We have got spherical raindrops falling. That is because of surface tension. For a given volume of liquid, a sphere has got minimum surface area. Right? Now, how do you measure surface tension? You draw an imaginary line on the surface of a liquid. So imagine that you have drawn this imaginary line on the surface of a liquid. We find the force perpendicular to this line. There will be force perpendicular this side and force perpendicular to that line this side. This perpendicular force per unit length is what is called surface tension. Even though you use the symbol T for surface tension, remember it is not tension, it is not force, it is force per unit length. It is the force that is perpendicular to this line per unit length. This is called surface tension. Therefore, the SI unit of surface tension will be Newton per meter. Now, because of this surface tension, there is energy in the surface, that is called surface energy. Surface energy is defined as surface tension into area. So, surface tension, if you multiply by area, you get surface energy. Surface tension is Newton per meter. You multiply by meter square, you get Newton meter, which is energy, right? Joules. So, therefore, surface tension into area gives us surface energy, and we can have an alternative unit of surface tension. If you want to write in terms of energy, the unit will be joule per meter square, and that is same as Newton per meter. So, surface tension is a property of a liquid surface due to which a liquid tries to minimize the area of its free surface, and that free surface it tries to occupy as minimum area as possible. Surface tension is force per unit length. So, it is having a unit of Newton per meter. Surface energy is surface tension into area, and because of surface tension, the free surface of a liquid behaves like a stretched membrane under tension and tries to occupy as minimum area as possible. A needle can float on water because of surface tension. Heavy insects can sit on water because of surface tension. Falling raindrops are spherical in shape because of surface tension. Remember, surface tension is force per unit length. Surface tension is force per unit length. Surface energy is surface tension into area.